to draw and color cup, which starts from the letter C. So the materials we need are eraser, pencil, black sketch pen and some colors. So let's start. Now we are going to take a scale and we are going to draw a line. Same side on some other side. So this I have made. At the bottom also I'll make a line and I'll join both the lines. Now I'll make one small line again and one more like this and one more like this. So now I will make a curved line on the top and one more like this. Now we are going to make the handle. So for making the handle, we can even make a stylish handle. But I am making a normal one. So I will make a C and I will make one more outside it. So like this our cup will look like, and for making it look like there is some coffee or tea inside it, we will make curved lines on the top. It will look like something inside it is hot. Like this. Now we will outline our cup. So I have done this. Now we will color this. So you can take any color and I will take pink. First I will color the bottom with dark pink, and with a light pink I am going to color this space. At the bottom, we are going to take that and we are going to color this handle. It is going to look a little darker inside, so we can color it brown inside. This part. And now our cup is done. A cup is used for drinking tea or coffee. You must have seen when you drink something, it is in a cup or a glass, and this we have drawn is a cup, and inside we have shown some tea or coffee is there, which is really hot, and water vapor, or you can say steam, is coming out. Thank you.